Welcome back guys. Images come in various file formats and color profiles. It is important to understand the color space we are working in, and in many cases it will be useful to transform from one space to another, such as from full color to black and white, or from RGB to hue, saturation and value. For this module, we are going to the text code editor here and just start work. To begin with, we just need to import numpy as np, and also we will import the cv2, and then we are going to load the new image in the color like cv2 dot mread, and here just we are going to load the BFLY, that is the butterfly JPEG image, and with the full color as it is with it. So, and then we are going to explicitly specify value for 1, just to remind ourselves that we are loading in with full color. Note that if you did not have the 1, it would still be the default behavior. Next, take a look into the image immediately by using the cv2 dot and show here, and here just we need to write the image and here the color. So here we go. So finally we are going to explicitly explicitly set the window to cv2 dot move a window here, like cv2 dot move window w capital with image 0 and a 0 value. So we are going to use the same image name here, the image and comma 00. This means that the cv2 runs the script. It will place the window in top left hand corner, and finally let's print out our color dot shape. So how it will be the print, like here the print, and just color dot shape by this way. Okay, so now just show this as a cv2 dot weight key capital to 0, and here the cv2 dot destroy all windows. Here we go. So for that, if we next just we need to move to the command prompt here, and we are here in the 04 start folder. If we see here, we have the, so here we have the 404py and BFLY file, and just run through the code python 3 4.py. So if you see here what it's done here, it load the image file of the butterfly. So we will learn through next into the about the channels and the other stuff in the coming lecture and move forward on it. Thank you and bye for now.